were discussing that the animals, they have certain kind of features developed in them according to the regions. We'll do the adaptations in polar regions. What are polar regions? The areas which locate in the North Pole and South Pole of the Earth. They are called polar regions. Some well-known countries of the polar regions are Canada, Greenland, Iceland, Norway, Sweden, Finland, Alaska in USA, and Siberia of Russia. The animals which are found in polar region are polar bears, penguins, musk deer, oxen, reindeers, foxes, seals, whales, etc. These are the animals. They have developed certain kinds of features which help them to survive in these areas. Let us do adaptations of polar bear. Adaptations in polar bear. How polar bear is well adapted to live in the poles. In the North Pole, these are found in the North Pole regions, Arctic zone. They have developed certain kind of features in their bodies which help them to survive in these areas. First adaptation is they have two thick layers of fur. The outer thick layer of fur is made up of hollow hair. The hollow hair trap a lot of air in them. Air, as you know, that is a bad conductor of heat. It does not allow the body heat of the bear to go out to escape, and they feel warm in the icy cold regions. Next is they have thick layer of fat called blubber. They have a thick layer of fat called blubber. This thick layer of fat gives them warmth. Along with the warmth, the thick layer of fat also provides the nutrition to the animal in the days of scarcity of food. When the food is scarce in the region, the thick layer of fat is used up. And the body of the polar bear is snowy white, which matches the background of the snow. This helps them to protect themselves from their predators and also helps them to catch their prey. They locate their prey because their body matches the snow. They have a strong sense of smell. This feature helps them to locate and catch their prey. The polar bears have short ears and tail. This feature of the body helps them the loss of heat through these body parts. And next is they have long, curved and sharp claws which help them to walk on ice. Physical activities on warm days. When the days turn into warm days, the sun rays fall over this region. The physical activities make the polar bear feel hot. And they keep themselves cool by swimming in water. They move slowly and they rest most of the times in warm days to avoid loss of heat. They have wide and large paws, which helps them not only in swimming but also walk on the ice with ease and comfort. And moreover, they are excellent swimmers. They are excellent swimmers. They close their nostrils while swimming, and they can remain themselves in water for longer duration of time.